There are two methods of maintaining capital accounts of partners. These are fixed capital method. First one is fixed capital method. Next one is fluctuating capital method. As the name suggests, the fixed capital method. In this method, our capital remains fixed. Okay, there is no change in our capital. Up to when? Unless it is given in our agreement that we can add additional capital in the capital of the firm, okay, or we can withdraw at a specific time period our capital. A specific amount should be written in the agreement that this amount can be withdrawn by us, okay. So unless it is given in our agreement, we cannot withdraw or introduce a new capital in the fixed capital method, okay. In fixed capital method, two accounts are maintained. First one is capital account, second one is current account, okay. In current account, all the transactions are recorded, okay. In capital account, only there is a credit balance. It always show a credit balance, okay, and its credit balance always appear on the liability side of the balance sheet. As you can see, it always appear on the liability side of the balance sheet, okay. Now in current account, the transactions which are recorded in current accounts are share of profit or loss, whatever here it is, interest on capital, interest on drawings or drawings. If it is given in our agreement, then it will be given to the partner, okay. It may show debit or credit balance. Our capital account will always show a credit balance, but our current account can show a credit balance or a debit balance, okay. If it is showing the debit balance, okay, if it's showing the debit balance, then it will appear on the asset side of balance sheet, and if it is showing a credit balance, then it will appear on the liability side of the balance sheet, okay. Now I am showing you the pro forma of partners capital account. Yes, this is the pro forma partners capital account. Clear? Now partners current account. I am showing the pro forma, the balance BD in case of debit opening balance. Current account I am showing, okay. Balance BD. If there is a debit balance, debit opening balance, we will show it here. If there is a credit opening balance, we will show it here on the credit side. This is the credit side, this is the debit side, okay. Drawings, if there is any drawing made by any partner, we will show it here. If there is any interest on drawing, we will show it here. Profit and loss appropriation, in the case of loss, we will show it in the debit side, okay. Next, if salary is given to the partner, then it will be shown in the credit side. If commission is to be given to the partner, then it will be shown in the credit side. Interest on capital will also be shown on the credit side, and profit and loss appropriation in case of profit. In case of profit, it will be shown on the credit side, and in case of loss, it will be shown on the debit side. And the balance, if there is a debit closing balance, we will show it here. If there is a credit closing balance, we will show it here, and after that we will make its total, okay. Now fluctuating capital account. In fluctuating capital account, only one account is maintained, okay. In fluctuating capital account, as you can see, all the adjustments are recorded directly in capital accounts. No current account will be made in this fluctuating capital method, okay. So now, as you can see, if there is any drawing, it's the pro forma for the fluctuating capital method. Partners capital accounts pro forma it is, okay. If there is any drawing, we will show it here on the debit side. Interest on drawing, same, debit side. Profit and loss appropriation, debit side. Balance, if there is a credit balance, sorry, debit balance, we will show it here. If balance, here we will add the balance which is to be bought by the partner. Okay, it is written here. Bank, fresh capital introduced, it will also be shown here on the credit side. If salaries are to be given, credit. Interest on salary has to be given, then also it will be shown on the credit side. Profit and loss appropriation in the case of profit. Okay, same as it was done in the partner's current account. Okay, so here at last its total will be shown. Okay, so it's your today homework that you have to read all the chapter which I have taught you till now. Okay, thank you.